Hello, girls. I'm doing an audition for a new girlfriend. I need to get this girlfriend before the 8th of September. The 8th of September, which is my birthday. I don't want any rum drinker, no cigarette smoker, no gambler. I won't be accepting any of that. I also don't want no fat woman. I am already overweight. I already weigh 280 pounds. So I need somebody between 140 to 150 to 160 pounds. The reason of not wanting anyone that is too big is because my bed, I'm having problem with overweight woman. This morning my daughter was saying to me this morning when I call her, showing her my bed spring, a spring that break in my bed. And she said to me, "Mommy, I don't know why your bed spring after broke. Why you always bring some heavy duty woman coming at the house? I never see her date one woman with slim or one woman with less weight than you. You always look some woman with big heavy duty machine. You're already big and I brought down the bed already, but yet still carry big woman. So you can imagine you with your big size and the woman with your big size. The bed no must pop down. And bed spring must broke. So guess what they go on, guys? The bed spring they broke and I juke me up every minute. They juke me up and me not really cut me up, but they juke me and me don't know when they go cut me and make me have to go to the hospital and go prize my body. So me need somebody when I come broke down the bed spring. No one nobody broke down the bed spring. I am also wanted to change that mattress. I'm going to Quartz to choose one mattress. Because my name good at Quartz. So I want to go down at Quartz to choose one mattress and bedded. But I won't be doing so until I meet the new woman we're going to come in at the bed. Because if I not meet the new woman, I'm going to care about the same old woman. The same old pum back in the bed. You have to go come on mattress because she going to broke up the new mattress. Yeah, bed spring I go fly again. And then we so I no intend to change it. And I don't need no woman that love money more than me. Please. I love money. Woman feel love money because money I have to spend, but I don't want nobody will love money more than how I love money. She not feel love me more than me. Right? So I'm doing the audition. Who want to audition can inbox me. Who want to come? Let me know. And I don't want nobody to come beat me up. Because all that woman when I have them always want to come beat me up and batter me. I can't take no batteration. I need somebody who's going to be tender with me. Tender with me. Treat me with the love. So they won't come and cheat me like maybe. You know you see like how they cheat the senior citizen them. No problem. Just come treat me the way they tender with me. Deal with me good. Deal with me good, me deal with them good. But otherwise, I don't want no heavy duty, no smoker, no gambler, no drinker. I don't want no thief either. I don't want nobody who can thief me and come plan to rob me. I don't really have nothing much for them rob. But I don't want no thief either. So come, can carry no resume, application, whatever, anyhow you want to do it, carry it. But just be honest. Yeah. No oversize. No oversize like myself. No disrespect to no oversized man, but I don't want nobody to mash up my bed spring again. Please, me I beg on a run quick, me quick and fast. Quick and fast.